Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to do a tutorial where you can download a texture pack on Minecraft Java Edition 1.18 on a Mac for free. So it's 1.18, as you can see, no texture packs on. So got options, texture packs, nothing on. So first off, if you go to Google Chrome, you search up resource pack. Resource packs. It's very laggy. Right here, resourcepack.net is a very, very good resource to go from. Get it? Resource pack. Oh, okay. Wonder what I should pick. There you go. Here's it going right up here. Kawaii World. Sure. Press on that. There's a lot of ads. Don't press anything. Like, watch this. You ready? There's a very convincing ad right here. You ready? It's right here. Yeah, it's gonna press like start here and stuff. Yeah, don't press that. Oh yeah, but yeah, don't press any of these ads. Just delete all of them. Yeah, this is the texture pack Kawaii World. I would never play on this, but just for showcasing reasons. Right here, you want to go down here, only these links, 1.18, 16x, press on that, and then bring up a page. I don't know what pages bring up. There we go. Kawaii World. Okay, so then, basically what you want to do, you want to exit out, you want to drag this up to your desktop. Okay. So yeah, so then what you want to do after that, you want to go back over to Java Edition, Options, Resource Packs, and you'll press Open Packs folder. Then you'll drag the thing that you put over to your desktop, you put into the Resource Pack folder. I move it. Then you go back into Java, and you just wait for a little bit. Just press done and go back in. Yeah, right there, right there. Kawaii World. Put that in, press done. Resource packs and shader packs take a long time to load. My next video is going to be on shader packs, so please check that out. Here it is. Oh my gosh. I would never play on this texture pack. Sorry about that. I hope you've enjoyed this little tutorial. So I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye!